Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a back-to-school girl wearing a mask. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So come down, go across, another curve, and connect at the bottom. There, so your basic bottom of a U. From there, I'm going to come to where I started on the edge. I'm going to draw a big circle with the eyes right next to the edge. And do the same thing on the other side, right here. So now that I have my two circles in for the eyes, let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now that I have the eyes drawn in, let's come to the side right here. I'm just going to draw two curves for some basic lashes to spruce up the eyes. Now that I have the eyes in, let's come to the top right here. I'm just going to draw a soft arc over her eye for the brow. Come in, thicken it up a little bit, and same thing on the other side, about right here. And then now to draw the mask. So I'm going to come right underneath the eye, about right here. And I'm going to touch the eyes. I'm going to draw a slight angle curve that goes up towards the center. So about right here, I'll give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And then from there, bring it down to the other side. You know what, I have to, this eye went a little too low, so I have to fix this curve right there. Okay, so that's the basic idea, right next to the eye. And of course, if you don't want a mask, you just add a smile right here, right? But today we're drawing this back to school girl because I know many of you are back to school wearing a mask. From there, let's come back to where the eyes are. And in this area right here, I'm going to pop out some ears. So draw a curve that comes down. And I'm going to add some details right here. Just two curves. And same thing over here. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the rest of her hair, her head. So I'm just going to imagine this as an oval. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point about right here, right in the center. And from there, I'm going to go up with a curve, round it off, and bring it right back down to where we started. So same thing over here. And in. And then we can go and finish the rest of her hair up here. So come up. So her hair is tied up in a ponytail. So we're going to go up right here and just kind of round it off towards the top and bring it right back down. And then let's come in here with some details. Right here in the curve, we're just going to bring in these curves for some strands for her hair. And then there's going to be a bottom strand right here as well. So I'm just going to add one right here, bring it out, and one over here. Okay, so then at the top right here, we can add a little scrunchie where her hair is tied up. So I'm just gonna wobble my way across right here. And about this area right here in the top, we're gonna go up for a ponytail. So go up, and we're gonna bring it right across. Nice, full and full. And we'll do the rest, draw the rest of her hair later. Let's finish her body first. So let's come to the center. We're gonna give her a little neck, but right here and here. Bring it out or curve. And we're not gonna finish off her shoulders yet because she's wearing a hoodie. So I'll come to the center about right here. I need to draw this part right here first. So I'll just give myself a curve right here to finish it off. And then let's come back up here. And just wobble this curve and bring it together. So same thing here, just wobble, wobble, and in. And then we can go ahead and finish off our shoulder. So just, this is still continuing out and in. So same thing, out and in. So I'm having her arms crossed and holding a book, so it's going to be a little bit different this time. So let's bring this down. We're going to have to draw the arms first. Bring this down, and about right here, just kind of imagine where everything would fold, her armpits would be. I'll come about right here and draw a curve across. And I'm just going to bring this down, continuing to kind of know what I'm working with here. So same thing over here. So we're just going to start to cross the arms. So let's work on this side first because this one's on the foreground. And I'm going to flare it out a little bit. And about right here, bring it in. And connect. About right there. And so then this one, just continue. It'll be tucked underneath. And so we just want to tuck this one right here as well. So that's the main shape that you're trying to draw. And then for the hands, it's very simplified. We're just going to pop them out right here with a slight angle. And just go ahead and connect with a curve. And then for the other one, it's just going to be right here. Oops. And tucked in as well. So we don't have to draw too many details. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit more. You can add some creases if you like. And then we're going to draw the rest of the hoodie. So let's come right here. Just going to give it a little curve in and then out. So it's an extra large hoodie. Nice and big. And bring it out, and then we're going to come below the hand and then bring it in. So then from there, I'm just going to give it a little wobble. Just give it some movement, and then right here, come in. And give it a little bottom part right there. And let's see here. And since we're down here, let's draw the legs. So nice, simple legs right in the center. So I'm just going to angle my legs down, and it's going to get thinner as we come down. So maybe just wearing a pair of tights. Nice and simple, right? So same thing over here. There. And then about right there, I'm going to flare it out and round it off for her feet. So same thing here. There. And then for some details, let's come right here for the shoes. Round it off. And then this top part, well, let's break the tights first. I forgot about that. And then the top right here, if you want some details, you can do this little shape right here. maybe for like a pair of Vans or something, right? And so same thing here, cut off the tights first, and then the top part right here, can make that little shape. And the two curves on the side and some laces. There. Okay, so we have the feet in. Then finally, let's come back in here and draw maybe a book or sketchbook or whatever you want her to be holding. And I'm going to bring this line that's going to pop out right here. So you just want it about in this area where this line is, the hands. And I'm going to angle it slightly. Just give it a slight angle. And here as well. And connect at the top. You can see it, and then let's come right here and give it a little spine so we know it's a book. Okay, so then from there, let's finish off her gorgeous hair. So I'm going to come right here, pop out a strand, bring it in, just to give it some movement. Come out, come back in, and just tuck it in. There. So hopefully you love her hair, and some details right here, maybe a little string right here for the tying part of her hoodie. And then of course I'm going to add a heart right here. For my Draw So Cute girl, of course. And that is, oh wait, one more thing right here. Some creases right here. So we know it's nice and baggy. So they're all done. I really hope you love this new Draw So Cute back to school girl and her wearing a mask. And like I said, if you don't want her wearing a mask, just remove that curve and put a big smile right here. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.